the sake of sweetness and things, I'm not gonna put the titles in it. I'm not gonna put any intros or anything. This is just gonna go straight as it is. So this is a video for my class Operating System 2 with Giovanni de Jesus. My name is Nelson Robles. Matricula 2022-1754. Why am I doing this in English? Because I want to. Now that we have all that out of that way, and I'm sorry about that, we're gonna go straight to the first topic in Module 1, which is creating a desktop Windows Server 2016 desktop experience. I don't know if it's data center or if it's not, but we're gonna create a virtual machine, and for this, I'm inside this, which is my VMware Workstation 17 point I don't know what. We're gonna right click in it and then do new VM, and after we do that, this is gonna get us to this thing. We're gonna go to the easy way, right? For this one, we're gonna see very custom advanced things when we get to the final part, which we're gonna do. Nano server, but this is for later, right? So what do we do, right? We have different options. We have installer disk, and that's not an option for us because VMware is detecting we do not have an installer disk that we can use, right? Then the next thing is that we have an installer ISO, right? An image. Like, do we have an image? Yeah, we do have an image. But this is like straightforward. This is gonna avoid a bunch of stuff, and we're not gonna use that. What we're gonna use today is I will start the operating system later. That's the option. We click next, and then on next is gonna ask us for VMware information, like what are we installing. We can select whatever we want here and then change it later or install what we want later on. But for the sake of this, we're gonna create this, and then this is gonna be what the name is for this thing. So what my name is gonna be is I'm gonna put first in it, so you know that I'm the one doing it. Hey, I'm the one doing it. 2022 1704. 1754, not 04. And this is gonna be the name of my machine, and this is the place where it's gonna be installed. I selected as default this place, but you can change it. Just click browse and browse it as you usually do for anything else. But then we do next, right? And then ask us for what the size of the drive is gonna be, right? It is recommended to go with 60 by VMware, so we're gonna go with 60. We're deleting it anyway, so. And this is also dynamic. This is not a fit size, which means that after I do this and then I go back to it, then it's not gonna say, "Hey, you have used 60 of your space." It's gonna say, "Hey, you have used this much." I mean, I guess this is the case, right? I'll check it right now, real quick, and I see. Yeah, that's the case. That's the case. I'll show you right now. I have a bunch of VMs in here, and I'm only using this much. Each one of them is like 18 gigabytes or something like that. That's why. So I do have space. I'm gonna leave it at 60. 60 is your maximum space, and then we're gonna make it split like this, so it's easy to it's easy for us to transfer the thing, copy and pasting it for different places. But as it says, like it's gonna reduce performance once we get to very hard, but very large disk files. But this is not the case for us. So we're gonna go into here. Now we're gonna customize this hardware because I don't want it to be using this much resources. I know for a fact that I can use just one processor with one core. And I'm not gonna do anything of that. Alright, and now for my memory size, this is my recommended memory, and I have a bunch to go with, so I'm just gonna leave it as. But I know for a fact that it can run with 1 GB. Alright, so after we do that, we're just gonna click on finish. And after we click on finish, there's another thing that we need to do, right? We need to select where is this, what image is gonna. We need to make sure that this is connected power, and we need to select where the image is that we're going to use. Now for this one, I'm gonna select the 2016 data center. It's in my download folder. You can download the thing from whatever you want to. We're gonna select this one, then I'm gonna click on OK, and now that it's gonna use my thing as it boots up. Then I click here, and it starts. Once it starts, I have this whole thing. Press the key. We didn't press it. It timed out. Right. Let's restart it. Restart. Press the key. Come on, you press a key, you press a key. Oh, you need to click it. Oh, forget about that. Yeah, we'll go out, restart again. So you need to click inside, and then you can press a key and it works. Then it comes to the Windows install. Right, this is pretty much same thing for every single window install there is. So just click next, install now. Oh, setup is starting. We know setup is starting. Thank you. So we're gonna go through this. I'm not probably not gonna cut it. Yeah, I'm not gonna cut it. It's pretty quick. So we're doing data center desktop experience. What's the difference? That we can see stuff after it's on. And I accept license terms. I click next, and I'm gonna do custom. Custom is just we select this, then we click next. That's it. And then this is gonna start to do this then, which is probably gonna take a while. Not as much because my drives are pretty fast. But if I can cut it, I'm gonna cut it. I'm not gonna promise I'll do, but if I can, I will. And let's just wait for it. In the meantime, we're gonna hear this song. Oh man! No, no, wait. I forgot that YouTube doesn't like that, man. Oh my god, I hope. If the audio as a start gets cut, you guys know that it's because I was listening to music, and YouTube does not like people listening to copyrighted music. Oh man, I'm not monetizing anyways, and this is for education, so they shouldn't probably do anything with it. But I don't know. Either way, I'm just gonna. Oh boy. I'm gonna take the time, right? To explain on that. Then I'm kind of like I'm not from. I was not born. I've never been to, but the way I talk isn't much places, right? But the curse is from Brooklyn. I have them all, and to us, to them, Brooklyn guys, it's like fucking. It's just an adjective that we use first, like beginning of anything. It's prefix, right? Fucking say that a lot. So if you hear me cursing a lot, it's not because I want to. It just fucking comes out. Right? It comes out naturally. I'd say being uh thinking like being speaking English as not main language because I still live here. Sadly, it is the second language for a long time now, and with friends and colleagues. I only speak English, and not only speak English, but I mainly speak English. My English, I change to English whenever I'm talking fast, like I am right now. I can't talk this much in Spanish anymore. If I'm gonna talk fast, I'm gonna talk a bunch of shit. I'll usually change to English, and that's why I'm doing this in English. In case you wanted to know, I don't think you're gonna get through this part this much, but in case you did, we are. The only main reason why we're doing this is because I need to show you how to install the VMware tools once all this stuff is done because I don't have a fresh install. Just gonna show you that, so we need to do it, and that's mainly it. But if you get to this point, then you know that this is the way it is, right? And you don't understand why I say it's fucking too much, and you will understand also why I speak in English, and I'll do this shit in Spanish. It's by 94% now, so bear with me. We're mainly known. I'm talking a lot, right? And want to get through with this. Please move. So if you also see me looking at that place, right? I have a second screen up there, and also that's the screen that I use to see what you guys are seeing, and also the no second screen I use it for other stuff. So if you see me looking at that side, then you know that it's because I have a second screen up there. It's not because I'm looking at anyone, I'm not talking to anyone. Oh, I forgot I could have done music all this time. I'm gonna do this on the next one, right? I don't know if you can hear it. Hopefully you can. Yeah, you can hear it. I just checked with then it's restarting now. So while this restarts, I'm gonna play a little bit of payphone. I guess we're done now. There we go. So we are done, and now this is thanks God I didn't skip it. Now this is asking us for administrator password. So user may cannot be changed as administrator, but the password we can change. So we're gonna put just simple one, which is gonna be admin for this one. Say admin. Click on finish. Oh, what doesn't mean the password complexity requirements. Oh my God. So I'm gonna just simple one. Admin 1234. Admin 1234. Let's see if it takes it. It doesn't mean the but okay, so admin 1234. Admin 1234. I didn't put passwords this simple before, that's why I never had this issue. There we go. So we are straight in it. If we do Control Alt Delete, then this is gonna send it to our computer also, because Control Alt is the one that gets me out of the VM. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click here, which sends this command to that computer, and then that computer opens, and we do admin 1234, opens, loads up profile, and we are gonna get to the desktop. Here we go, we're on the desktop. Something's gonna come up now, but before it does that, for us to install the VMware tools, so I need to click down here where it says app finish installing, and then it does. Alright, allow your PC to be discoverable, want it to be discoverable. This is the last part of this. Then we're gonna do the install. So the tools, this can't happen. The tools do not install. When that happens, it might be for multiple reasons, but you understand that now there is something mounted as a drive. Here it is. And well, there should be something mounted here as a drive, and that would be where you have the VMware tools. I guess you can close them that. You can just close them here. Install VMware tools to the thing, and now you should have the thing. Let's see if we do. Okay. Now here's the VMware tools. We click on setup for VMware tools. This is gonna take a while, and after this is done, it is going to change this weird aspect ratio, and the machine is gonna move a lot smoother than what it is right now. And what was the last thing I was doing? I was payphone. Well, we're gonna leave it at that because the VMware tools do not seem to be opening, right? And it's not really that useful. This is the way this looks. Once you're open it, like once you're over here, oh here it are. It's pretty. It's typical install. Nothing, right? Just install it. This is pretty much just like installing drivers, right? So that's it. There you go. So now look, now it moves really smooth, even though like I have just 1 GB and things. Restart. Yeah, I'm gonna restart. So this is the way you install the desktop experience. And this is it. Thank you for watching.